Sally Newtboom, and I am your business development representative for Golden Valley Auto Body. We're here today at the 20th Annual Valley Muffler Car Show. Beautiful location down the north end of Plymouth Street this year. And we'd like to thank everyone for coming out, continuously supporting. It's for the Adventist Health Right Out Cancer Foundation. All money raised stays local and benefits our cancer. All money raised today at the car show stays local and benefits our Adventist Health Right Out Cancer Foundation, helping cancer patients and their families. And thank you for putting your trust in Golden Valley to move the car show forward and keep it going. That was burned in the Paradise Fire last year, and it's made into a chessboard with pieces from car parts. So it's really exciting, awesome donation. We're hoping to do a live auction for that and raise some extra money for the foundation. We also have, once again, our normal raffle prizes. We have a Traeger that was donated by Golden Valley Auto Body. It's Traeger Barbecue. We're selling raffle tickets for that. We have a Remington shotgun. It was donated by JCGH Properties, and that is also its own special raffle, and we just, a lot of community support, so we appreciate the opportunity. We'd like to thank the Hill family and Bliss Hill for continuing the Valley Muffler Car Show for so many years and putting their trust in us.
Jeff Swanson with the Ride Out Foundation at our 20th Annual Cancer Care Car Show, sponsored this year by Golden Valley Auto Body. We're continuing that tradition that Valley Muffler started 19 years ago. And I'm here talking to some of our loyal car enthusiasts that have been supporting this event over the years, and I would be pleased to introduce
Dennis Standiford. And this is about the probably about the 10th year I've attended this program. It's a good show.
What do you like about the venue this year, Dennis?
Oh, this is much improved with the multitudes of parking opportunities from the street to the shade. It's much better.
Well, thank you for your support over the years, Dennis. Thank you for coming out again this year, and we're looking forward to seeing you next year.
All right, thanks for having me.
So today it's from 9 to 2 p.m. It's always Father's Day weekend, the Saturday, so that way you can kind of make sure you have it on your calendar for next year. We do have a barbecue lunch. Everything is done by donation. We have a raffle prize. We have 4 different raffle tables going on, lots of raffle prizes. We'd like to thank the Hill family and Bliss Hill for continuing the Valley Muffler Car Show for so many years and putting their trust in us to continue it and move it forward for years to come.
I'm here talking with Joe. I want to hear a little bit about why he's involved with Car Show and he's been coming back over the years. Joe?
Yeah, I've been coming to the show for at least 6 years now. And this is the best venue I've ever seen it at. It's a beautiful place. You got the trees, the shade, and I've seen more cars here than I've ever seen at the other one. And I see cars here I've never seen before. So it's pretty cool.
That's awesome. So fair to say you'll be back again next year?
For sure.
All right.
Yep.